In today's world, mobile phones have undeniably become a paramount in our lives. We all are living in a digital world where being present on social media marks us as a sane and social person. So it would be very impractical to quit social media because no matter how much we say that it's ruining our life, we can't deny its benefits too. So did I actually quit social media for 6 whole months? Yes. Why and how, I will tell you in this video. According to a recent survey conducted in India by a renowned mobile brand covering 2,000 respondents across ages 18 to 45, it was found out that 75% of the respondents agreed to have owned a smartphone in their teens, and out of them, 41% were hooked to their phones even before graduating high school. Now that's not the actual problem that concerns me. What caught me off guard was that 1 of 3 respondents said that they can't even have a 5 minutes conversation with their friends or family without checking on their phone to just see if there's anything new for them. Now, one of the major reasons which triggered me to quit social media was that I felt like I wasted my time. And I mean a lot of my time. And not just time, I felt like I lost my creativity, my imagination, and somewhere I lost myself in this social media world. Things I can't afford, or the places I can't travel to, or the food I cannot even eat is what I am being served daily on these social media platforms by a random person whom I may not even have met. Social media gives us the illusion of providing real relationships without the actual benefits of a real life relationship. Because if we are so well connected, why is the other person, or why are we still so lonely? Why do we need to put up stories to tell people that they can talk to us? So if there are so many pitfalls about this social media and we're all well aware about them, why do we keep crawling back to it? The answer is very simple. There are thousands and thousands of minds working together to just manipulate your single brain out there. Our brain has different compartments, and one of these compartments is known as a reward center. And don't we all like talking about ourselves? Well, you may say that no, I don't. But wait, don't you like when someone praises you or you get appreciated for anything you've done? Of course, yes. And that's okay. That's part of human nature. And this part of human nature is what these social media platforms are manipulating and are playing with us. Social media provides an endless amount of immediate rewards in the form of attention from others for relatively minimal, or I would say zero effort. Reward centers of the brain are most active when people are talking about themselves. In real life, people talk around, let's say, 30 to 40% about themselves. However, social media is totally about yourself, your profile, your picture, your likes, comments, your bio, and basically you showing off your life and your accomplishments. So, people talk about themselves a staggering of 80%, that is double the amount of time, and hence bigger the reward and more the dopamine. Dopamine. Well, that's what I'm talking about when I say that these platforms are manipulating our brain chemistry. According to a recent study, social media platforms produce the same neural circuitry that is caused by gambling or any other recreational drugs. The constant stream of likes, shares, comments affects the brain's reward center to trigger the same kind of chemical reaction as other drugs such as cocaine. Companies build features into their apps that manipulate our brain chemistry. For example, let's take the most popular and visible feature in any app, that is the pull to refresh, which is inspired from a slot machine wherein something exciting is waiting for us on the other side, But of course, that was just a hoax, and you've entered into an infinity pool which will never stop. Yes, and that's how you are getting addicted to social media without even knowing it. So, how was my experience quitting social media for 6 months? I would say that it was very, very beneficial. But would I recommend you guys also to quit social media for 6 months? Well, अगर करना चाहते हो तो कर लो, but I don't think you would be able to. It's not that it's impossible. If I can do it, you can do it too. But I know that it's very, very difficult. Plus, I feel quitting is not actually the solution to anything. I won't say it was very easy. मैं कोई ऐसी कोई सुपर पावर मेरे पास नहीं थी जो मेरे लिए बहुत ईजी हो गया था अपनी विल पावर के अगेंस्ट जाना. It was equally difficult for me. After 1 day or 2 days, I was getting that pangs in me that चाहिए मुझे सोशल मीडिया देखना है और लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. The FOMO effect that am I missing on something? Will people forget me? Will I lose my friends? But no, I did not. Nothing happened like this. As far as the updates go, जो पता चलना होता है वो पता चल जाता है. No, I'm not talking about the latest or trending memes जो चल रहे हैं. Of course, I was unaware about them, but things don't matter actually. The things that matter, like the friends. You know what? जो really friends थे ना, वो अभी भी मेरे friends हैं. उनमें से एक भी नहीं है जो मेरा अभी भी friend नहीं है. Plus other benefits, I developed new hobbies, I developed new habits, good one. I got to know so much about myself. मतलब I feel कि हम लोगों को जानने की जगह अपने आप को तो जानना भूल जाते हैं. But during this phase, I did so many things which I wanted to do, really wanted to do, because मैं खाली पड़ी रहती थी ना यार. सोशल मीडिया तो था ही नहीं, कुछ फालतू का स्क्रॉल जब बोर हो रहे तो कर रहे होते हैं, वो करने को था नहीं तो क्या करो. It was like I was forcing myself कि जो चीज़ मुझे करनी थी अब मेरे को करनी पड़ ही रही थी क्योंकि मेरे पास कोई और काम था ही नहीं करने के लिए. Now I won't say that quitting social media is the way to lifelong happiness or that social media is ruining our life or social media नहीं use करना है, because you know what, this is also social media जहाँ पे आप मुझे अभी देख रहे हो. Social media and digital world is just gonna grow. तो अगर आप नहीं यूज़ करोगे तो you will lack yourself. आप कहीं ना कहीं रह जाओगे इस दुनिया में. So of course use it. I won't say quit social media, but what I would tell you is, बचपन में सुना है कि संगति का असर पड़ता है. You are what you eat. प्लस eat को हटा दूँ, I would say you are what you consume. In this time and age, you are what you consume. By consumption, I don't just necessarily mean the social media apps and the memes and the stories which are being shared. I mean the digital content too. Because you unknowingly, you do get affected. Just like I told you, social media manipulate करता है आपके brain को. All these things manipulate you. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, मैं 10 दिन के लिए किसी भी यूट्यूबर को देख लूँ ना, चाहे वो बुक ट्यूबर हो, तो मैं सोचूंगी मुझे बुक्स ख़रीदनी है, मैं बुक्स रीड नहीं करती. अगर कोई ट्रैवलर होगा तो मुझे मन करेगा मुझे घर से बाहर निकलना है, मुझे बाहर घूमना है. कोई कुकिंग का होगा तो आई विल से मुझे ये रेसिपी बनानी है. कोई भी, या फिर कोई मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर होगा, मुझे लगा ओ शिट मैं लाइफ में कुछ नहीं करी, मुझे कुछ करना है. तो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू प्रूव इज़ we do get affected from people. We do get affected. And if you're someone who says कि नहीं यार, I have this shield, I'm very mature, I'm very practical person, then I would say कि मैं भी वही सोचती थी यार कुछ टाइम पहले. And आजकल in person मिलने से ज़्यादा we are present on social media, तो of course it will affect us. हम लोगों को मिलते ही सोशल मीडिया पे है यार. पीपल, तभी तो ये इन्फ्लुएंसर्स आजकल चल रहा है, बिकॉज वी डू गेट इन्फ्लुएंस फ्रॉम पीपल. सो ऑफकोर्स क्विटिंग और आइसोलेटिंग इज़ नॉट द सोल्यूशन. आप आइसोलेट कर लोगे कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा. इट्स अगेंस्ट ह्यूमन नेचर. आर ह्यूमन नेचर इज़ टू गॉसिप, टू टॉक अबाउट आवर सेल्व्स, टू सी व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन अदर पर्सनस लाइफ. आजकल लोग कहते हैं कि नो वन इंटरेस्टेड इन अदर पर्सनस लाइफ, विच इज़ सो वेरी रॉन्ग. अभी बोलते हैं कि नेबर्स ही नहीं पता है क्या बगल में. नो, अगर ऐसा होता तो आजकल व्लॉग चैनल्स जो यूट्यूब पे तो चल रहे हैं वो नहीं चल रहे होते ना. लाइफस्टाइल चैनल्स क्यों चल रहे हैं? वाई आर वी सो इंटरेस्टेड इन समवंस डे इन लाइफ और व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग, वो कहाँ घूम रहा है, वो क्या कर रहा है. इट्स बिकॉज इट्स पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन नेचर. हम लोग को जानना है. वी वॉन्ट टू गॉसिप अबाउट पीपल. गॉसिप्स के लिए वी आर फॉर्मिंग व्हाट्सएप और फेसबुक ग्रुप्स. इट्स नॉट जस्ट अस टीन्स, इट्स आवर पेरेंट्स टू. पेरेंट्स भी कितना अफेक्ट हो गए. माई पेरेंट्स आर चेंजिंग इन दिस डिजिटल एज, विच इज़ नॉट रॉन्ग. अगर नहीं चेंज होंगे तो दे विल वी ऑल विल लैक समवेयर. and that's okay. So change is part of nature, but how you change depends on you. जैसे सोशल मीडिया में सब कुछ ईजी है, यू नो, फॉलो करना, किसी को अनफॉलो करना, डिपेंड्स ऑन योर फिंगर टिप्स. The true ones are very difficult to find, but they are there. You need to just search very carefully. So that's it. That's my story of quitting social media for 6 months. I'd been meaning to do this video since so long, but of course procrastination helps. It wins always. But now I just had to do it because अब 1 साल हो गया है when I quit social media. Now I'm back. मतलब 6 महीने हो गए that I'm back on Instagram. Honestly, I would say that मैं शायद social media, specifically Instagram पे वापस नहीं आती. It was just because of my YouTube channel. You may find it an excuse, but हाँ, मैं वापस तो आ गई हूँ. Still you may see मैं ज़्यादा active नहीं हूँ Instagram पे because I just don't feel like using Instagram anymore. But eventually I will grow with it. I will adapt to it. Again, life will be back on track. But yeah, that's it for this video, and very different kind of video. I don't know what to say anymore, but yeah, bye, have a nice day or night or whatever. Just enjoy your day.